Before you consider purchasing from the National Council on Strength, there are 7 things you absolutely need to know. This product has garnered attention for its value in the fitness space, but how does it really stack up compared to other industry leaders? Stick around as we dive into what you should consider before making that decision. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect and whether it's worth your investment. First things first, National Council on Strength stands out with its unique approach to fitness and strength training. It isn't just another membership or equipment subscription, it's an integrated system designed to help you optimize your physical health through expert advice, resources, and training tools. But here's the thing. While many competitors like Peloton or Beachbody offer a similar range of workouts, National Council on Strength focuses on building a tailored strength program that's backed by science and extensive training. Unlike others that are more generalized, this system is designed to support strength building with proven techniques and personal recommendations. Next thing you need to know is that the content you get with National Council on Strength is structured by certified experts. This is a huge advantage compared to some competitors who rely on non-certified instructors or user-generated content. The National Council's trainers have deep industry credentials and understand the nuances of strength training, which ensures you're getting the best advice for safe, effective workouts. If you're serious about making progress, this expertise is invaluable. The third thing to consider is the variety of resources available. National Council on Strength is not just about lifting weights. It offers a holistic approach that includes meal plans, recovery strategies, and mental conditioning. This comprehensive system differentiates itself from products that only focus on one aspect of fitness, like just workout routines or nutrition alone. It's the kind of resource you can depend on for all-around fitness growth. The fourth thing that sets the National Council on Strength apart is their community and ongoing support. Many fitness platforms throw you into the deep end with minimal guidance, leaving you to fend for yourself. Not here. You get access to a vibrant community of like-minded individuals and professionals who provide ongoing motivation and tips. You won't just be working out, you'll be working out with support, which can drastically improve your results and consistency. Another key point to note is their user-friendly platform. Compared to some of the clunkier setups of competitors, National Council on Strength has really nailed the user experience. Whether you're accessing resources on your phone or desktop, the interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. Plus, they continually update the platform to make it even better. If you've struggled with cumbersome apps in the past, this could be a breath of fresh air. Now let's talk about pricing. National Council on Strength offers a competitive pricing model that is often more affordable than the bigger brands in the industry. While you may find some other services offering similar features, their higher tier plans can be steep. National Council on Strength, however, provides a good balance of value without sacrificing quality. For what you get, this is an incredible investment, especially if you're serious about building strength and improving your overall health. Lastly, National Council on Strength offers an exclusive trial opportunity. That's right. Before you make any commitments, you can try it out completely free. This trial is an excellent way to see if their system works for you without any risk. Compare that to other services that often lock you into pricey memberships without allowing you to experience their offerings beforehand. If you're looking for a comprehensive strength building system that combines expert training, a user-friendly platform, and ongoing support, National Council on Strength is a solid choice. And if you want to take advantage of their best offer, click the first link in the description below. Not only will you get the best deal, but you'll also have the chance to try it for free and enjoy some exclusive benefits. Don't miss out.